A very warm morning to respected sister principal, teachers, and my dear friends as we are observing Vigilance Awareness Week. Today, we the students of class 5th C are here to present our special assembly on the topic Vigilance, our shared responsibility.
The word vigilance means to be watchful and alert. It's not just keeping an eye on others but also keeping a check on our own actions, whether we are doing it's right, fair and just.
To begin with, let us join our hands and close our eyes for the prayer song, followed by a short prayer. God, we thank you for this new day and wisdom you have given us. Help us to be alert, honest, and responsible in all that we do. Teach us to stand for truth, to act with integrity, and to care for good of all. May we never turn away from what is right, and may our actions reflect honesty and fairness. Bless us to become a vigilant citizen of this nation. Amen.
For what we do. If we make a mistake, we should admit it and correct it rather than hiding it.
Transparency. Transparency means being open and clear about our work, intentions. It helps in building confidence and prevent corruption.
Courage. True vigilance means having the courage to speak out politely but firmly when something is not right.
Self-discipline. Self-discipline is the root of vigilance. When we control our actions, follow rules, and stay focused on our duties, we automatically become vigilant.
Vigilance is a shared responsibility. When we choose to do the right thing, even when no one is watching, we contribute to a cleaner and better society.
If each one of us remains alert and responsible, whether as students, teachers, or citizens, we can stop small wrongs from going into big problems.
Our government observes Vigilance Awareness Week every year to remind us that fighting corruption and promoting integrity is not a job of one person or one department. It is a shared duty.
Courageous, we can create a nation that stands for transparency, honesty and fairness.
students, vigilance begins with small actions like not copying in exams, not lying, being punctual, taking responsibilities of our work, and standing up against any wrong act we see. Now, we would like to present a small skit to showcase vigilance in students.
Everyone is nervous. It's exam time. Everyone is nervous. But some students are looking for shortcuts instead of hard work.
I have studied the whole week. I have revised everything. I am ready for the test.
Why study so much? I have all the answers in my pocket. Easy peasy. Do you know I have written all the formulas on my hand? No one will notice. Oh, I forgot to do my project. I just tell my mom I was sick. A small lie won't matter much. Scene 2. The teacher enters the class.
Good morning, ma'am. May God bless you.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are ready for the test. Remember, honesty is the best policy.
The teacher starts checking decks and distributes paper.
Arav, what is this? What are these paper checks?
Sorry, ma'am. By mistake, I carried them.
Raksh, why are you closing your fist so tightly? What's there in your hand?
Nothing.
Show me. But they lead to failure in the long runs. Lies destroy trust, cheating kills efforts, and shortcuts steal learning.
Yes, ma'am. We should do our best. Truthfully.
Sorry, ma'am. We promise no more lie, no more cheat, no more shortcut.
Vigilance is our shared responsibility. Let's be the honest citizens of tomorrow.
Do not lie, do not cheat, do not take shortcuts.
Be truthful, be responsible,
Be vigilant. Thank you.
and commit to highest standards of honesty and integrity at all times, and support the fight against corruption. I therefore pledge to follow probity and rule of law in all walks of life, to neither take nor offer bribe, to perform all tasks in an honest and transparent manner, to act in public interest, to lead by example, exhibiting integrity in personal behavior, to report any incident of corruption to the appropriate agency.